friends, and welcome to my channel Excel Freak. I'm really excited today, and I must share the reason behind my excitement is the feature that I'm going to be sharing with all of you, because this is one of the features that I use quite oftenly. Now, I must confess here that I'm really bad with spellings, and while I have to work on Excels, and if I write misspell some word, the problem with Excel is it's never going to show me, okay, you have misspelled this word. Whereas in case of Word, you can see the word which is misspelled is usually highlighted, as in you get a red underline on the word, and which really doesn't happen in Excel and becomes a problem. It doesn't really work too well, at least with me. So this feature that I'm going to be talking about now actually helps me tell the system, okay, this is the word I usually misspell, and whenever I write this word, please change it to the correct form. This is the correct form. So I really love this feature. This is known as autocorrect. Now, you would have normally seen that, if you write some word like, for example, I'm writing here until with a triple L, and if I, press a space bar, it automatically changes and brings it to the correct form, that is with a single L. This is nothing but actually the autocorrect feature. So there are certain words which are already registered at the back end, which we may misspell, but then system automatically corrects them. So similarly, we can add our own list there. Let's see how. Let's go to the file menu and then to the options here. In the options window, we will need to go to proofing and then click on the autocorrect options button here. As soon as I click here, what I get is a list of already existing words, which if written incorrectly will be replaced with what. So this entire list you can find here, and we can add our own words, of course. So for example, let me go and write something like, okay, I normally misspell this word which is medicine, and okay, let me write the wrong spelling, and I should be saying please replace it with the correct one. I'll click on add, and I can see it's gone into the list. Let me click OK, and once more OK, and I'm back to my Excel screen. Now let me write the wrong word and press space. Oh wow, the spelling has changed. Isn't it very useful? Similarly, I may want to write every time learning and development, but that's too long a word and will take a lot of time. I may prefer to write L/T or L&T, and I may want that whenever I write this should change to the entire phrase, learning and development. Then we can follow the same steps. I'm just repeating my steps. I'm going to file, options, clicking on proofing button, and then autocorrect options. Let me add over here L&T, and I go here learning and development. Wonderful. Thankfully, I will not have to write the entire thing again and again now. And I just go ahead and write L&D and press spacebar. Oh, wonderful! I am sure I'll be saving a lot of time with this, and so will you all. Do share your thoughts with me at my email address msexcel.freak@gmail.com. You can subscribe to our channel Excel Freak at YouTube, or you can visit our Facebook page Excel Freak. Goodbye and have a great evening. Thank you.